Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I am the Holistic Health Coach. Today, before we talk about today's Hukamnama, I want to ask you something very basic. Have you checked the AQI today? In today's India, we don't just check the weather. We check whether it is safe to breathe. Children are wearing masks. Morning walks are cancelled. And we say casually, क्या करें, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, what can I do? ये तो सरकार का काम है. Is it? Let's reflect through today's Hukamnama Sahib. Today's Hukamnama Sahib from Sachkhand Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar is by Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji at tongue 521 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji in Rag Gujri. Slok Mahalla Panchwa. Guruji says, Laddam labban har karam karando mapiri, which means I have found the object of my search. My beloved took pity on me. Guruji further says, Ikko sirjanhar Nanak biyana pasiye, which means there is one creator. O Nanak, I do not see any other. That means one system, one ecosystem, one shared responsibility. Of course, government has a role. Policies, regulations, public transport, industrial controls. And to be fair, governments do take steps. But let's be honest. No government can clean the air if citizens keep polluting it every day. See, you cannot outsource consciousness. Of course, you can elect a government, but you cannot elect awareness. That has to come from within society. See, all of us want clean air, green cities, better AQI reports, but we also want more vehicles, faster construction, comfort without restraint. We blame the government on Monday and break traffic rules on Tuesday. When responsibility is missing, complaint becomes a habit. So today's Hukamnama Sahib teaches us, stop complaining, start aligning. Government once upon a time announced odd even. And what was people response? कौन सा जुगाड़ करें? What to do now? Now, this is not rebellion, this is unconsciousness. Laws can control behavior, not awareness. Until awareness rises, AQI will not come on track. This is very simple. If everyone cleans their own doorstep, the street becomes clean. But we want government to clean the street, municipality to clean the air, someone else to save the future. While we keep on saying, Mera kya role hai? What's my role? What can I do? So when Guru Sahib says, my beloved took pity on me, that pity is understanding. The day we understand that air belongs to all, damage affects all, healing is required by all. That day, grace begins. Spirituality without responsibility is total escapism. So living in today's hukam means supporting good policies, following rules consciously, reducing unnecessary consumption, holding both government and self accountable. Government and citizens are not opponents. They are partners in one system. So if there is truly one creator and no other, then harming nature is harming ourselves. Let us stop asking who will fix the air and start asking how am I breathing responsibility into this world. When consciousness rises, policies work, cities heal, air becomes breathable again. So here's one small assignment for you. This assignment is not for the government, not for the society, for your own being. For the next 24 hours, just observe. Observe this when you breathe. Do you feel gratitude or entitlement? When you step outside, do you see nature as resource or relationship? When you use your vehicle, is this necessity or habit? Now, this is ontology, not what we do, but who we are while doing it. So ask yourself tonight, am I living as a consumer of the world or as a participant in it? Write down one small change you will make, not out of fear, not out of guilt, but out of clarity. Because when being changes, behavior follows. When consciousness breathes cleanly, the air will follow. The clean air will follow. So implement today's Hukamnama and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. ਧੰਨ श्री गुरु अर्जन देव जी, ਸਰਬੱਤ ਦਾ ਭਲਾ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।